next thing that we're going to consider is how to design infographics from Canva. Infographics is actually a collection of imagery, data visualization, pie charts, and bar charts. A collection of minimum text that can depict easy to understand overview of a given idea. Okay, so anything. All right, so the first thing is you can just come to your search bar and just search for infographics. So you can use it for your company to showcase most of your products in the most easy way, so people attending your company can easily be given something like a flyer that they can understand what you do very easily and in a very simple way. So you can just click on anyone. You can see sample infographics, even though there are no much templates. You can see it from illustrating stages to highlighting products and showcasing what 1, 2, 3 or 4 stages or steps to get to something or a given product. So you can just select on any. For example, we can go with this one, and then you can go ahead and customize it. You can see the sizing. Okay, it comes in a very special form. So you can decide to customize the sizing. You can rearrange it to your liking. For example, I may want to change from this template to maybe this template. I think I kind of like it because it gives us different fruits, maybe in a particular company or in a particular organization or in a particular setting. So you can zoom out so that you can be able to see it clearly. As soon as you zoom out, you can see it clearly. You can select, as you hover over all the elements, you can see you can change from the name of the fruit to the description to even the fruit itself, the image, the shape that is behind it, and all that. You can change the coloration and you can change the image accordingly. So let's say this is a pigmentoship farm, or let's say farm fruits, and we can bring it up for sale. But then once you visit a pigmentoship farm, you will be able to see, we'll just hand over this flyer to you, and you will have an understanding of what kind of fruits they produce inside. Okay, so you can see over here. And if you want to change anything, for example, this lemon, you can just come to the elements over here, and you can just search for lemon, and you can see different kind of lemons that you can easily substitute. So for example, you can select this one and delete it, and you can bring in another one. Okay, so let's say we'll put in this one, just drag and drop, and then you can resize it. Okay, and then you can just put it inside. Resize the position, and then it's there. If you want to change the shape also, you can change the shape, or you can change the coloration of the shape so that it fits in perfectly according to your brand. You can change it also so that it fits in perfectly. You can change everything. Even this lemon, you can change the brand. Okay, the background also you can change. You can navigate over, you can change the bigger picture, the bigger background, you can change also. You can change this banana, or you can change this purple and bring in another image if you so wish from the elements. So you can just select, and you can see row 1 or the one that is without a background. Right, you can just remove this one, resize this one, and then you can just paste it, rotate it, and you have it there. So it's very easy to customize, to change anything, or even to come back and change the template. You can check the template and change accordingly, depending on what kind of message you have and what kind of message you want to send to your audience. Infographics can actually help you to do that. You can select all of them by dragging and dropping. You can group all of them, or you can keep selecting by holding the shift key, and you can select all the key features, all the elements, and keep selecting, and then you can rearrange them or reshuffle them accordingly. So once you are done, you are starting with what you have as your own, and change the background color if you so wish also, to something like this. But I think I prefer the other one in existence, the orange color. It's peacefully showcases the products very nicely. If you are starting with this, you are starting with everything. You can change, you can flip, you can animate the photos, but only when you want to make it a video. But if you are starting with everything, the content, you can just go ahead and download by just coming to share over here. You can just say copy a link, you can share, or you can just download, and you can say PNG or PDF or anything. You can go with JPEG if you want. You can just click on download, and it will just download this very flyer or infographic for you very easily and fantastically. So you can just see it over here. You can see your flyer or your infographics over here. You've downloaded it, and you can share with your visitors or anyone who visits your company or visit your farm, or they're about to have an understanding of what products do you have, or what kind of fruits you produce in your company. So this is about infographics. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.